Welcome to GK at Tamosri. The term computer is derived from A. Sanskrit language, B. Greek language, C. Latin language, D. German language. A. Latin language. The term computer is derived from Latin word computere, which means to calculate, to count, or to sum up. And also, Charles Babbage is considered the father of computers. What was the name of the computer designed by Charles Babbage? A. Colossus, B. Analytical engine, C. Faraday mark, D. None of these. B. Analytical engine. It was proposed general purpose mechanical computer, considered the first of its kind, and was designed to perform calculation using punched cards, which is an electronic device that processes data and convert into information. A. Computer, B. Processor, C. Printer, D. All of these. A computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. It has the ability to store, retrieve, and process data. When was the first operating system developed? A. 1948, B. 1949, C. 1950, D. 1951. C. 1950. The first operating system were developed in mid of 1950s. These were small supervisor programs that provide basic input and output operations and kept accounts of CPU usage for billing. Integrated circuits are related to which generation of computer? A. First generation, B. Second generation, C. Third generation, D. Fourth generation. C. Third generation, also known as chip, which allows for much smaller, faster and more reliable computers, and also first generation vacuum tube 1940 to 1956, second generation transistors 1956 to 1963, third generation integrated circuit 1964 to 1971, fourth generation microprocessor 1971 to at present, and fifth generation artificial intelligence. Who is the developer of mouse? A. Dennis Ritchie, B. Douglas Engelbart, C. Charles Babbage, D. Christopher. B. Douglas Engelbart is an American inventor. He developed the mouse in early 1960s with Bell English assisting with the prototype. Engelbart patented the mouse on 17th November 1970. Who is the developer of keyboard? A. Dennis Ritchie, B. Douglas Engelbart, C. Charles Babbage, D. Christopher Latham Sholes. D. Christopher Latham Sholes. In early 1870s, he developed with the assistance of Samuel W. Soley and Carlos Gilton. Which was the first keyboard? A. USB keyboard, B. Mechanical keyboard, C. QWERTY keyboard, D. Multimedia keyboard. C. QWERTY keyboard. The first widely used keyboard is the QWERTY layout was developed by Christopher Latham Soley and Samuel W. Soley in 1867. When you delete the file from a computer, where does it go? A. Documents, B. Recycle bin, C. Downloads, D. My PC. B. Recycle bin. Deleting the file removes it from the location where it is stored. If the storage location is your hard disk, the file is moved to the recycle bin. If the storage location in a disk, CD or network location, the file is destroyed. Which of the following is an input device? A. Scanner, B. Keyboard, C. Pointing device, D. All of these. D. All of these. It seems like most common example provide for input device are keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner and digital camera. These devices are used to send data or instruction to a computer. Which of the following is an output device? A. Monitor, B. Printer, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. C. Both A and B. A monitor, printer, speaker, headphones and projector all are example of output device. An output device is a piece of hardware that receive data from a computer and convert into a human readable form. The output can be visual, auditory or tactile. What does CPU controls? A. Memory. B. Input data. C. Input, output and processing. D. None of these. C. Input, output and processing. The computer does its primary work in the part of machine we can't see, a control center that converts data input to information output. This control center is called central processing unit, is highly complex, extensive set of electronic circuitry that executes stored program instructions. Which is the brain of the computer? A. CPU. B. ALU. C. Memory unit. D. Hardware. A. CPU is the brain of the computer, is a central processing unit. It is responsible for executing instruction and controlling the overall functions of computer. The CPU performs all data processing, including arithmetic and logical operations. Which one of the following holds RAM, ROM and CPU? A. CPU. B. Hard disk. C. Motherboard. D. None of these. C. Motherboard is the main circuit board within a computer, providing connectivity and power to all other components. It contains slot for these essential components as well as slot for other expansion cards. What are the two kinds of main memory? A. RAM and ROM. B. CD and DVD. C. Primary and secondary. D. All of these. C. RAM and ROM. The two main type of main memory is also known as primary memory or random access memory and read-only memory. RAM is a volatile type of memory, meaning that data stored in its last when the power is turned off. ROM is a non-volatile type of memory, meaning that the data stored in its retained even when the power is turned off. How much data can be stored in a CD? A. 300 MB. B. 400 MB. C. 600 MB. D. 700 MB. B. 700 MB. A standard compact disc typically had a storage capacity around 650 to 700 MB of data. This can hold approximately 74 minutes of audio or about 200 photos. What is the output shown on a computer monitor is called? A. Screen copy. B. Soft copy. C. Hard copy. D. All of these. B. Soft copy. The output displayed on a computer monitor is commonly referred to a screen output or simply output. It can be also called a soft copy, and also a hard copy referred to a physical printout or document that you can hold on your hands. Programs stored in ROM are called A. Fireware. B. Firmware. C. Firmware. D. Malware. B. Firmware. Programs stored in ROM, read-only memory or called firmware, is a specific type of computer software that's stored in non-volatile memory devices like ROM and provides low-level control for devices in specific hardware. Which of the following operating system does not support more than one program at the same time? A. DOS. B. Windows. C. Mac. D. Linux. A. DOS. MS-DOS means Microsoft Disk Operating System. MS-DOS is a single-tasking operating system, meaning it can only run one program at a time. This is a contrast to multitasking operating system which can run multiple programs simultaneously. Control plus A shortcut is used for A. to save, B. to bold, C. to select whole area, D. none of these. C. to select whole area. The keyboard shortcut Control plus A is the most commonly used to select all text in a document or web page or to select the entire worksheet in a spreadsheet program like Excel. This shortcut is supported by wide range of applications including word processor, text editor and web browsers. Answer for last video was Russia is the largest country in the world by land area covering 17,98,242 square kilometers. It spans across two continents, Europe and Asia, and it is one of the largest countries in the world by area. The video is available on iCloud. Which shortcut key is used to save the file? Friends, kindly drop your answer on comment box. Kindly subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you and stay connected for more videos.